So this is the Pinnacle Suite, and there's only one on this whole ship. And you're looking at it. So here is this is just a toilet bathroom here. Okay, so we've got that. Look at that. I mean, come on. This is a cruise suite. Awesome. And then we've got, you'll be YouTube famous. We've got, look at this TV. That's like bigger than our home TV. And beautiful couch, recliner. Oh, super comfortable. A little bar here. A little dining table. Is this normally in the room, this binocular thing?
Oh, that's cool.
That's awesome. Okay, very cool. We've got like a little kitchen area in here with, what is this, like a coffee maker espresso thing?
Coffee station.
Full sink, a toaster, a hot water thing with your own tea assortment. Holy cow.
Wow.
This is quite the suite. What is that? Is that like a microwave? Maybe?
Microwave.
Or something there. I don't know. I don't know what it is.
I'm not sure what that is. Some cabinets.
Very cool.
Oh, let's look at this. Look at that.
Squeeze by here.
Yes.
This is the bedroom. It's a little desk with a fairly nice view, you could say.
Nice.
Another television over here. And then
Little closet.
this is the closet. Oh, that leads to another bathroom. There's a toilet there. And that, is that like a bidet? What is that? I think that's a bidet.
A bidet?
Yeah.
Oh.
And then here,
How about that shower?
Wow.
Oh, that's like a real rain one.
Oh, this is awesome. And
How about
then
one of these?
you've got, this is nicer than anything we have at home by a long shot. So
Well, yeah.
got a couple sinks in here for getting ready, and then we'll take you out on the balcony here, because this balcony is pretty impressive as well. Let's get you outside here. Ooh, it's a little windy. We'll see if the audio stands up there. Maybe better up here.
Over there?
Oh.
All right.
We've got a little table out here, two nice comfy lounges. And I'm guessing you can get out through the bedroom over there as well. And then down this way, you've got a hot
So
tub.
here's the problem with this room, Matt.
You never need to leave.
You don't need to leave.
No, how is that a problem?
Because you don't get to enjoy the rest of the ship.
You don't need to. You've got your own private yacht right here. That's what this is like. It's like your own private yacht. Wow. What was this one called? The Pinnacle?
This is the Pinnacle.
Pinnacle Suite, and it is sweet.
Yeah.
You could say that again. Okay.